वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning, all of you. Any thought for the day?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Can I say Anurag?
Good morning.
Anurag, please go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Every day is a chance to learn.
Okay. Next. Dheeraj, no thought for the day?
No,
Or amazing
ma'am.
fact?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll tell tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan, any thought for the day?
Ma'am, can I say
Yeah.
thought of amazing fact?
Yeah.
A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out.
Cannot stick its tongue out. I mean, it cannot take its tongue out.
Ma'am, stick.
Ritvika,
Ma'am, it cannot take its tongue outside of its mouth, ma'am.
outside of its mouth. Okay, that's what
Yes,
I
ma'am.
Which book you are doing?
textbook only.
Textbook.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Slow down and enjoy your life. It's not only the scenery you miss by going fast. You also miss the sense of where you are going and why.
Very nice. Next. Anybody else? Okay, now that we have finished the lesson, today I will be forwarding the notes and one worksheet also I'll send based on this lesson. Please do it and don't keep it pending. Slowly you write. And when do we have class? Yeah, next Monday I'll check the books. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll start.
which lesson, ma'am?
We'll start the textbook exercises. Page number 86. What? Which lesson? Who is asking?
Not which lesson, ma'am. Holly's ghost exercise. Class rate, ma'am.
Huh?
Thursday also will have class rate, ma'am.
But checking of the books only in the afternoon time. We cannot waste time during the class. I'm opening the book. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, which textbook or grammar, ma'am?
Yesterday we finished lesson, so obviously we'll be doing the textbook exercises. Aren't we doing all this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, verbs with multiple meanings. The verbs come and go usually have the following meanings. What do you mean by come?
means come here. Come here, ma'am.
Yeah, if somebody says come, you move towards him. Suppose if I say you come here, so you move towards me. Go. When I say go from here,
Ma'am, we should walk away.
yeah, move away. Move away,
From where?
move towards.
Move away or go far from me.
Yeah, move away from me. Come means move towards me. But this come and go can be used. These verbs can be used in other contexts as well. What are the different contexts? Not just simple come and go. This come and go is used in other situations. What are the situations? Examples. Bell-bottom trousers. You know bell-bottom trousers which they used to wear in 70s? The loose pants.
Yes, ma'am. It will be
Yeah.
tight on till knee, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Below the
And
knee, they will be very loose, ma'am.
very good. Below knees, it will be loose. So bell-bottom trousers came into fashion. Came means, do you think so the trousers came? No. This is how we use. Came into fashion means they started that new fashion in 1970s. Oh, the milk has gone sour. Sour means?
Ma'am, spoiled. Ma'am,
Not spoiled.
lemon.
Yeah, lemon.
Bitter. Lemon sauce.
Yes. So the milk has gone sour. Go, the past tense of go is, past participle of go is gone. So gone means milk hasn't gone anywhere. The taste has changed. Every time I have to be on stage, my feet go cold. My feet doesn't go anywhere. My feet become cold. They turn to cold because of stage fear. I have come to a conclusion. I have come to a conclusion in the sense I have taken a decision. Okay. So fill in the blanks with the following sentences by using the forms of come or go. It not just come or go. We have to use different verb forms of come or go. Okay, Dheeraj, read the first one.
Yes, ma'am. The two countries have come to an agreement.
Very good. Aryan, second one.
Most of my time, I
Come or go. Different forms of come or go.
come in reading novels.
No. Nitish.
Go, ma'am.
Go. No, there's a different form of go here. Most of my time go in reading novels. No.
Gone.
No, wrong. Any other work form? Yeah, Anurag.
Ma'am, goes.
Goes is correct. Goes is correct. Next, Charvit, read the third one.
Ma'am, what is first one, ma'am?
First one, come.
How did the exam?
How did the exam? Come or go?
Ma'am, go.
Very good. How did the exam go? Satvik, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. The time has come to meet and talk.
Yeah, the time has come to meet and talk. Good. Santosh, fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This sauce came well with macaroni.
Wrong. Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am. This sauce came with the macaroni.
No. Ritvika.
Ma'am, this sauce goes well
Very
with
good.
macaroni.
Goes well with macro. I'll show the key. You check with their answers. Yes. Did you check?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, completed. Completed, ma'am, checking.
Hmm. Okay, now we will learn a very new concept, very important concept in English grammar. Okay, for example, see the situation. The policeman, he's telling the guys, pick up the litter. I hope everybody knows what is litter.
Yes, ma'am.
Litter is the
Bad
trash.
thing about that. Waste.
Yeah, waste paper, some trash, which should be immediately put in the dustbin. So he says, pick up the litter. The policeman said to this person. Then when somebody is asking the third person, this person says, what did the policeman said to this man? He's saying, the policeman told the man to pick up the litter. So when we present what someone has spoken earlier, we do it in two ways. For example, two people have some conversation, and the third person wants to tell what these two people speak to each other or spoke to each other. Okay. So when we can use the exact words of the speaker. This person, the pink shirt person, they say, he can say, the policeman said, pick up the litter. That is what he said. There is another way to say the same thing. We can retell the matter. We can say the matter in different words. The policeman told the man to pick up the litter. So have you ever heard direct and indirect speech till now? I'm asking one question. Have you ever come across these two concepts, direct and indirect speech? When you speak the exact words, when you speak the exact words of the speaker, this sentence is said to be in the direct speech. See the second one, the policeman told the man to pick up the litter. You change the words, isn't it? Whatever the policeman told, you change the words. When we retell the matter in our own words, when we convert the sentence in our own words, it is called as indirect speech or reported speech. So please repeat, direct speech, indirect speech or reported speech.
Indirect speech or reported speech.
So what is the difference between these two? Observe the first sentence. He simply said, the policeman said, pick up the litter.
Excuse me,
Whereas
ma'am.
yeah.
Mama
So,
didn't understand what you have told. Ma'am means ma'am.
mm,
Ma'am means ma'am. See, ma'am, the policeman said that pick up the litter, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, but this boy wants to say that matter only in other way, ma'am. So
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
why this is.
Yeah, Manas is true. The policeman said to this person, pick up the litter. This third person wants to say what happened between the policeman and the yellow shirt person. So if he
wants
can
to say
tell
that
it.
matter in only other way, ma'am.
Yeah, he wants to tell that matter in other way, and he can tell in two ways. Either he can say exactly what policeman spoke, the exact words
Or
of policeman.
What he can.
Otherwise, he can convert into an indirect speech and tell the same matter. But the matter should not change. Aryan, are you not interested? Please focus. It's slightly tricky one. Okay, either you can tell the exact matter or you convert. For example, your mom says, whenever your dad comes from the office, your mom says, please tell this to dad. How will you tell? There are two ways to tell. What will you say? What will be the first way?
We can see like what mom said, or we can see in other conversation only that matter.
Yeah, you can say the exact words of what your mom spoke to you. Okay. Or another way is you can convert that and say, this is the way the mom told me. Okay.
Even we can
Don't
say
feel,
easy words, ma'am.
yeah. So
Ma'am.
how to convert direct speech to indirect speech? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Even if mother also gives some hard words, ma'am, we can make it too easy and we can say
Yeah,
to
but
our
there are
father
some
only.
rules and see in each language, there are some rules and regulations to be followed. You can't simply convert the sentence. You have to follow some rules and then convert the sentence. First, understand what is the direct speech? Exact words. When we use the exact words of the speaker, the sentence is said to be in the direct speech. When we retell the matter in our own words, it is called as indirect speech or reported speech. When we use the exact words of the speaker, we need not change anything. We use just the quotation marks to set them apart. So what did he said in the first sentence? The policeman said, pick up the litter. What are we doing? We are just putting the quotation marks. You know what are quotation marks? It's double quotes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, why are you not coming for classes? Yesterday afternoon class, Santosh, Karthik, you didn't come. Why? Anyway, please don't be absent.
Ma'am, I came, ma'am. Ma'am,
Santosh,
you are telling that lesson, no, ma'am.
Santosh, first class I didn't see you. Maybe second class you came.
No, ma'am, first class also I'm there. You are telling that second page of that lesson, ma'am.
Morning did you come?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyway. So in the direct speech, you can, there's a very, in direct speech is very simple. Just whatever the person told, put in the double quotes. Are you understanding? Shall I show it on the board?
No need, ma'am.
So simply just put whatever the person said, whatever the person said. For example, here the policeman said, pick up the litter. Simply put pick up the litter in double quotes. So writing direct speech is very easy. Are you understanding? Okay, simply put whatever the person said in double quotes. This one, see, pick up the litter. Okay, but when you want to tell in your own words, you need to follow some rules. I mean, in order to form an indirect speech or reported speech, I mean, the other name of indirect speech, we need to follow some rules. Okay, I'll show a video first and then we will go into the details. One minute.
Doodly, you drag.
Changing direct into indirect speech. There are many rules in changing direct into indirect speech.
What happened?
Let's start with the verb tenses.
Oh.
When changing direct into indirect speech, the verb tense usually changes. So the rule is, when we report something,
So why it is called reported speech? You are reporting to someone, isn't it? What the policeman has said or what your mom has said, you are reporting to your dad. Okay. you are
Otherwise,
saying-
ma'am, he's reporting to someone, ma'am, who is the really
Yeah,
good
who,
person.
see, you want to report to someone. For example, if your mom asks to tell it to your dad, that means you are reporting to your dad what your mom has said. In this situation, the policeman said to one person. So you're reporting what the policeman has said to that particular person. When we report something, we need to go back a tense. What is the tense's order, Dheeraj?
Ma'am, that means
Go back in
ma'am,
the tense
policeman
means
said to that
what? How
man,
does the
ma'am.
tense? What is the order of tense? Past.
Ma'am, present tense.
What is the order? Past,
Ma'am, order. Ma'am,
Past,
past.
present.
present.
Present tense.
Present and perfect.
Future tense, ma'am.
Yeah, past, present, future. Going back to one tense means from present, you need to go to past.
we need to go back a tense. Try to take note of the following examples. Direct speech in present simple turns into past simple when changed.
See, what is the present simple? One tense you go back. What will be the back tense of present? Past, isn't it? First past comes, then present comes, and then the future. Do you know the order of the tense, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here
Yes, ma'am.
present simple is there. You need to go to one tense back. That means past simple you need to go.
Changed into indirect speech. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. And present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Examples: I eat pizza, Lisa said. I eat pizza is present simple, but with indirect speech it becomes Lisa said she ate pizza, a past simple. For present continuous we have
See, what is the past tense of eat?
Eight.
Ate. So Lisa said she ate pizza. Here I eat pizza. She is talking about present simple. Eat is the present tense, isn't it? So when it converts into indirect speech, how we should say? When you when you convert to the reported speech, you should say Lisa said
Ma'am?
she ate pizza. Yeah.
Ma'am, she did not eat only, ma'am, still. I
Ate.
eat pizza, ma'am. She
See, when you are
Yes,
reporting,
ma'am.
by the time you report, she has already eaten. Isn't it? Right now, she is
Okay,
eating,
ma'am.
I eat pizza. By the time you report it, it becomes past tense because she already done that job.
I am eating pizza, Lisa said.
Ma'am, she is
The
eating.
indirect speech is
Can you guess? Okay. Next thing you guess. Lisa said that she was eating. I am. Am will become, what is the past tense of am? When say I am, I was, you say.
Ma'am means she is eating pizza.
I
did.
Eating, am eating pizza, was eating pizza.
Lisa said she was eating pizza, a past continuous. For present perfect we have I have eaten pizza, Lisa said. The indirect speech is Lisa said she had eaten pizza, a past perfect.
Have eaten, had eaten.
For present perfect continuous we have I have eaten pizza, Lisa said. The indirect speech is
Lisa
Lisa
said
said she had been eating pizza.
she had been.
So who are absent today?
Ma'am, today just
Ma'am, Bhagavat, Sohan. Yeah.
Sohan.
Lasya is present, ma'am. Ma'am, Joel.
Joel. So 27, 28, 29, 30. Two more.
Rebecca, ma'am.
Yeah, Rebecca. One more.
Joel, ma'am.
31, ma'am.
32 ma total.
Joel, ma'am.
One more is absent. Venkatesh is not coming nowadays. I need to talk to him.
Venkatesh.
His parents didn't come. Yeah, this GK class will be continuing. Okay, the same thing. We'll finish textbook exercises today. So don't be absent for GK class.
Past perfect continuous.
Ma'am,
Direct speech in past simple turns into past perfect when changed into indirect form. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous, while past perfect and past perfect continuous don't change form because they're the last verb tenses that we have. There's nothing more before them. Examples: I ate pizza, Lisa said. The indirect speech is Lisa said she had eaten pizza. For past continuous, we have I was eating pizza, Lisa said. It becomes past perfect continuous, which is Lisa said she had been eating pizza. For past perfect, we have I had eaten pizza. The indirect speech is
ma'am.
But remember, if something is still true or still happening up to the time of reporting, then we may use the same tense.
So these observe this when we are reporting something that action about some action which is still happening, we should not go back to the tense. We should use the same tense.
Examples: My father is a businessman, he said.
And his father is still a businessman. So how do you say when you convert into indirect speech?
This is in the present simple.
His
The
father
rule
is a
is we have to
businessman.
move back a tense, so it will become a past simple, which is he said that his father was a businessman. However, this statement could still be true at the time of
Yeah, actually, when we want to convert to indirect speech, we have to go to one tense back. So he is a businessman. Here he said that his father was a businessman, but most probably he will be still a businessman when he is reporting. So you should not go back to the tense.
reporting, so we can use the same tense. He said that his father is a businessman.
Did you understand? In that context, pizza, when she said that I am eating pizza, mostly when the time of reporting, she must have finished eating pizza. But when you say that some general statements, my father is a businessman, my father is an IT consultant, do you think so when the time of reporting, he will quit the job or he will lose the job? No, it doesn't happen generally. 99. So you should not change the tense.
Another one. The doctor said you need enough sleep. The doctor said I needed enough sleep. Or the doctor said I need enough sleep. The second rule is regarding the use of modals.
Okay, let's come back to this. Open the textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how does the models change? You see this also.
Could,
Here in the textbook.
may, might, shall, should, and must into
So how to convert the how does these words change to indirect speech? Will become would, can, could, may, might, shall, should, must, had to.
Examples: We will play football, he said. The indirect speech is he said he would play football. Tony said I can play piano well. The indirect speech is Tony said he
Ma'am, is it
can play
88
piano
page?
well.
Yes.
John said it might rain. Indirect speech examples: I could cook, he said. The indirect speech is he said he could cook.
He said
Remember that the pronoun also changes since the person doing the reporting is not the original speaker. Examples into I. The last one, I saw your sister, she said. The indirect speech is she said that she had seen my sister. The pronoun I was changed into she. Gave her the book, Ben said.
Yeah, change the given direct speech to indirect speech. I gave her the book, the Ben said.
The indirect speech
Ben said
is
that she had given her a book. Ben said he had given her to the book.
given her the book. The pronoun I was changed into he, while the verb in past simple gave was changed into the indirect speech is she said I might put my stuff on the table.
You may put your stuff on the table, she said. And when she's reporting, she said, I might put my stuff on the table.
My stuff
May,
on the
yeah,
table.
may and might. Or come back to the textbook.
Ma'am, page number.
Can you see the textbook?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things we need to change. Reporting
No,
verbs,
ma'am.
of that, tense, pronouns and possessive adjectives, time and position, punctuation.
can't see the textbook, ma'am.
No, I am
We can see.
We can see, ma'am.
okay. So this is a table which I have just shown. You can also use that. The matron said that Arjun was getting worse and worse. Simply you can use that in using the reporting speech. Here you see, I have to go, said Minu. He is converted into reporting speech as Minu said that she has to go. See, this will take time. Immediately you may not understand. Okay, let's see the examples. Come to page number 90. Who is calling me, ma'am?
Ma'am, you said no, ma'am. Arjun Krishna Swami said that Arjun is worse and worse, ma'am. Ma'am, I was thinking that Rohan was worse, ma'am, actually.
No, Arjun only. See, first he took away the white gloves. Later he took the clay from the sculpture room. And now she saw the red stained pillowcase. That's the reason she's telling. This Arjun guy is doing all the things. He is taking away things without permission. That's the reason she said Arjun is getting worse and worse. Not Rohan. Rohan didn't do anything. Okay, examples. He said, I am leaving tomorrow. Satvik, not Satvik. Vaishnavi, read this. Vaishnavi. She is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. He said,
He said, I'm leaving tomorrow. He said that he was leaving the next day.
Naina, read the next one.
They said we will receive it next week. They said that they would receive it the following week.
Ashit.
Yes, ma'am. My grandmother told me it is raining now. My grandmother told me that it was raining then.
Nitish.
Yes, ma'am. Anu said to
Tia.
Tia, I met Sid this morning. Anu told Tia that she had met Sid that morning.
Jessica, read this.
Yes, ma'am. Jayan said my sister knits
Not
beautifully
knits.
sweater.
Knits. Knitting, you know.
Yes, ma'am, I know knitting. Making woolen sweaters.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it is
Jayan said that his sister knits beautiful sweaters.
Net or knitted?
Knitted beautiful sweaters.
See the key. Jayan said that his sister knitted beautiful sweaters. Next, Karthik, read this.
Yes, ma'am. Ashok said, I am reading a book now. Ashok said that he read a book then.
Yeah, Ashok said that he was reading. You have to go back one tense. He was reading a book.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am. Ashok's mother told us you must watch the film based on the book tomorrow. Ashok's
Are you
mother
reading?
told us that we have to watch.
Pranavi, please read the third one. Jerry said.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Jerry said, I have read this book. Jerry said that she had read.
Pranavi, some audio problem. Please rectify. Jerry said that he had read that.
Okay, ma'am.
Santosh. Khyati.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ashok, other friends said we had read it too. They said that they had read
Very
read
good.
it too.
They said they had read it. Abhinaya, fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Ashok's mother told us you must watch the film based on the book tomorrow. Ashok's mother told us that we must watch the film based on the book
Tomorrow. So it will become the next day. Okay.
next day.
Pragnesh Reddy.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Kajal said, I will play the film here. Kajal said that she would play the film.
There. Here becomes there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you check your answers once again.
Over, ma'am.
Okay. When do we use? All of you know punctuation marks?
Ma'am, once can you show the
Ma'am, can you show the answers, ma'am, once?
I'm showing. Dasa, yesterday did you come?
No, ma'am.
And now only you log in, right?
No, ma'am.
When did you come?
I came at 8:05 only, ma'am. 9:05.
Yeah, then why didn't you turn on your video? Why this Pranavi, Vaishnavi, Varshit, Chaitra, Gagan, Manas, why you are not turning on your video? Why do you switch off in between? How will I know whether you are there or not? Don't touch the video at all during the class.
Ma'am,
Okay, punctuation marks or inverted commas. Inverted commas are also called as quotation marks, speech marks, or quotes. In the direct speech, I told, right? If you want to tell in the direct speech, just as it is, whatever words the other person has used, just put it in the quotation marks. As we have seen, we use them when we want to quote someone's exact words. For example, in our earlier thing, this is what we just quoted, isn't it? The policeman said, pick up the litter. Simply we said, the policeman said, pick up the litter, and we included in it quotation marks. Here we are telling where all we use the inverted commas. Here are the points to remember to use inverted commas correctly. See, most of the time we get